Hello everybody! Here you go! Lake Como Top 5 To-Do List. Explore and love Lake Como in Italy with me. Take a walk through the narrow streets and explore the small romantic villages you're gonna find all around the lake. Or, if you like the mountain, take a nice hike. There are plenty of stunning trails. Take a boat tour with a ferry and enjoy the view with a pleasant wind in your hair. Or do it even better, taking an exclusive private boat tour. Visit a historical villa. There are a bunch of marvelous historical villas with beautiful gardens and art collections absolutely to be seen. Relax by the water on some of the beaches named here Lido. Why not with a cup of Italian iced coffee? Or for more active ones, we can try some of the many water sports practiced here. For last, don't forget to take a refreshing and tasty aperitif, Italian style of course, and enjoy your stay on Lake Como. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can come with us on our next adventure. Bye guys, see you soon!